Hello guys, welcome back to Unstockable Trading. In this video, I'll be breaking down the ticker people asked me on my Discord group today, and feel free to join our Discord group. It's free, and if you like what you see on my video, please like and subscribe. Trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of December. Let's take a look at the first one. We have LFVN. So LFVN, it looks like we have a lot of room to fall. But let's take a look at the monthly charts. So if you look at the monthly chart, what we notice here, we notice the previous resistance at right around this level, looking at $14.20. So it's good that we are above the previous resistance right here. As you can see, we are just above that. And remember, when you see the wicks like this, like the empty wicks, and then it fades, it's sort of a bearish sign. And we look at right here, we got rejected up top, and what happened next? Boom, 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 3 months all the way down. So my next, I'm gonna show you in the daily chart now. So my next quick support I'll be targeting is the 13 around this area, 1380 mark right here. And then the next resistance I'm looking at is the $15 mark. If we break that, potentially run up to 18 bucks. Why is that? Because the previous high, not previous high, the previous resistance around this level was $18 right here. Once you break this, we're gonna reach right here, so around $18 level. But in the meantime, it could happen, so just keep on watch. But the next support is right here, and the next one I'll look at is right here, $12.60. It's the LFVN. Next one, we'll look at our Apple. Apple right here. With Apple, with the futures down $28 on the SP 500, Apple, I'm targeting 170. So right now it's 176. I'm targeting 170 with what the market is look right now, and there's got to be filled around 165. I do think we are going to reach 165 very shortly, within a couple of trading days or Monday. And then if we are continuing with this bear market, the next gap is going to be right here at the $140 mark. And then when Apple reaches 125, I'm getting in with everything I could, because it's crazy how Apple is being like this. But let's move on to the next one. We'll look at CYH. Well, CYH, this looks like a pump and dump because, again, it's almost $5 stock price. Anyone can buy in. And then from the previous high, we're talking about $10 mark. So let's just take, based on the technical analysis. Again, this is the daily chart. We are in the previous resistance around the $5 area. Here we have a bearish candle right here. So what's the next outlook on CYH? I can see a strong support at this level right here, around the $460 mark. If we break the $5 mark, there's a potential run up to $6 mark area right here. Is it gonna happen? I'll say maybe 30% yes, 70% no, because we have a red candle appear, and then look at this. When the red candle appears, most likely the next 3 or 4 days is gonna be on a downtrend. So just wait till it comes down to here, and then if you keep on falling, the next one I'll be looking at is right here, the 385. So just be careful. I will not buy this just yet. If you're buying it, don't. Let's look at AMBA. AMBA, again, there's a gap to be filled here, but I'm more concerned about the gap to be filled here because we have a red candle appear here. So most likely it's going to come down and fill the gap right here, and then have a potential bounce back to here. It does look like this company like to trade within the $30 to the $40 mark. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in this range. Let me show you, in this range for the next week or so. Alright, let's take a look at the next one. We have TSRO. TSRO, okay, let's look at the monthly chart. Oh, looks like AMD. So with this thing right here, I am looking at the next resistance at this place right here, which we rejected a couple times. So look at this, we rejected 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and then 4 times, and now like I said 5 times here. So with all those wicks here, it's a pretty bearish signal to me. It means that the stock cannot push over the top. So, and then we have a gap to be filled right here. So in the short term, I'm going to look at I'll say $40 mark right on this target right here. And then the next one is going to be near the 200 days moving average, 36. And feel free to join my Discord group if you're not in. Let's take a look at the next one. We have AMD. With AMD, I am going to have a bearish outlook on AMD. As you can see, I've been telling you guys it's going to come to sub 20s or even the $18 mark. Am I crazy? No, because AMD sucks. Why is that? They're not a profitable company. If I have more time, I can show you the balance sheet, but you can find a balance sheet just by typing. Just go to AMD website and they'll have the quarter report, and you can see how much they're borrowing and how much they're selling. So AMD, look to me, is a pump and dump. Just look at this. So what is this? It's very clear, guys. So AMD, whoever thinks AMD is gonna come back to $40 or $30, think twice. Let's take a look at Facebook. Let's look at the daily chart on Facebook. Oh, so we can tell it's a descending pattern on Facebook, and what's gonna happen next. Based on the future and how the tech sectors are, I have a very bearish outlook on every single one of them. So Facebook is gonna hit $130 again, and then let's see if we can go to 125. If we want to look at the resistance, we can talk about right here, 140. Let's just say 142. I don't think it's gonna come back to 142 anytime sooner. So in the short term, it's gonna come to 133 and then 130. I'm gonna save Facebook. Tesla. Let's look at Tesla. Let's look at monthly chart. So it does look like in this range trading quite nicely. So in the in the short term, Tesla is going to be coming in right here. Oh, we're talking about $320 mark. I'm targeting this 320 for 2 weeks. Let's see in 2 weeks we can hit 320. But from the daily chart, Tesla is gonna come down because we are close to recession, and automakers they're the first to come down. Especially Tesla, they are pretty. They have a lot of leverages. They borrow too much money and they're not that profitable. So tomorrow I'm gonna look at Tesla, maybe drop 20 points to 340, and then see if we can hold the next support right here, the 340 mark. I'd save Tesla. Last one we're talking about LULU. I don't know what this is. Let's take a look at the monthly chart on LULU. Whoa. So it does have nice volume. It's not a pump and dump. So on LULU, let's take a look at daily chart. Again, I don't know what this company is, but with this movement, I do think LULU is gonna come back to 135. But LULU does seem to follow the market, so tomorrow it's gonna come down to $130 mark, and then we should have a bounce on LULU if we hit the 130 mark tomorrow, because this right here it's a nice support. But the next one I'll be looking at is right here, the gap at 125. So just be careful tomorrow. I wouldn't long anything. If we drop very fast tomorrow, if you have any day trade available, get a call, because most likely algo is gonna have a small bounce to the upside. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.